I am opening a yarn shop. Here. Let's start off by finding all the yarns. Then I'm gonna take Shopify and calculate and put everything in there because they have a really nice inventory system. So we're gonna check that out and see if we can put everything up there with SKU codes, numbers, colors, and everything, just to get everything organized. Grosso have been calculated. It is a yarn that they don't make anymore, so that will go on sale. And then we have my favorite cotton yarn of all time. Alba cotton has also been calculated. The next thing on the list is recycled cotton karma. I have a lot of this yarn. We are putting the yarn currently back in their boxes just because we need to renovate this yarn store room before we have anywhere to actually place the yarns. We have calculated all the yarn now. We are starting off with 3 different yarns in the shop. Alba cotton. I am an amigurumi designer, which means I use cotton yarn a lot. So Alba organic cotton, Kremke Soul Wool's recycled cotton yarn, which I also use for my amigurumis, as well as a Semilla Grosso that I happen to have quite a lot of in stock. So we are starting off with those 3, and the plan is to save all the money from my yarn sales to buy in more yarn stock, and that way I will hopefully be able to grow into a more wide range of a yarn stock. I would love to buy in some more wool yarn, for example, because I have new patterns that are made from new wool yarn, so I want to have yarns that works with the patterns I already sell. But first we need to make a to-do list so that I know what I need to have done before I open the yarn store. As you can see on this to-do list, we have some things that need to be done before finally opening the yarn shop. The first thing is to paint these ridiculously ugly walls that are in a kind of beige brown color right now. We're also gonna need to put in a door right here so that you can walk in and out, because currently there is no door to the outside. We also need to order some yarn so that we have a slightly amount of a bigger yarn stock. What else? Paint some furniture, and then we are good to move in. I have already bought one shelf on Facebook Marketplace that I really think is gonna be perfect for this yarn shop. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're as excited as I am for this journey and this new yarn shop series. If you want to tag along, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment, because the algorithm seems to like that kind of stuff. It helps my channel out immensely. So yeah, I will see you in the next video where we are gonna paint this yarn shop pink. See you, bye!